Quick question about how to find the median class. So median class when you're given a set of data. So we'll do two examples. The first example, as you can see, we've got classes 0 to 4, 5 to 9, 10 to 14 and so forth with their respective frequencies. By putting it in a table like this, we've actually put the numbers in order, which is the first criteria for median. The numbers have to be in order. What we then need to do to find the median class is we need to complete the cumulative frequency column. So for this particular cumulative frequency, from 0 to 4, we've got two numbers. From 0 through to 9, we've got 5 numbers. Cumulative means to add up. From 0 to 14, we've got 2 plus 3 plus 7, which is 12. From 0 up to 19, so the cumulative frequency that would go here is how many pieces of data from 0 to 19. So just rub that little box out. So from 0 to 19, we have 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 4. So that's 11, plus 3 is 14, plus 2 is 16. Or we just add on as we go. From 0 to 24 is 16 plus 1, 17. And then from 0 to 29, 17 plus 3, 20. So we've got 20 pieces of data in this set. So if I want to find the median class, if I've got 20 pieces of data to find the median, I add 1 and divide by 2, which is our rule. So 21 divided by 2 is 11.5. So my median, no it's not, it's 10.5. Good mathematics, 10.5. So my median is between 10 and 11th piece of data. So if I look at so I've got 2 pieces of data from 0 to 4. I've got 5 pieces of data from 0 to 9. So the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th pieces of data must be in this group here. So this is 5. So there's 1, 2 in here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in there, which gives me 7 altogether. So the next piece of data, so that's 7. So the 8th, the 9th, the 10th, the 11th and the 12th. Oh, sorry, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. So that's 5 to there. Okay, I'll rub those two out. All right. So 12th, so then we've got, so the 10th and 11th is in those two. Whoopsie. Must be in that group. So the median class is 10 to 14. Let's look at this second example, example number 2. So again, classes frequency. So the cumulative frequency, 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 9, 23. So the median, okay, got 23 numbers, so 23 plus 1 divide 2 is 12. 23 plus 1 is 24 plus 2. So the 12th number. So where is the 12th number? Well, up to here, I've only got 7 numbers. To there, I've got 14 numbers. So the 12th number has to be in that group there, 40 to 49. Therefore, the median class is 40 to 49. Hopefully that helps a little bit.